Hi everyone. Welcome back to Wealth Wonderla. Today we're tackling a huge life-changing milestone in every young adult's life, earning their first paycheck. Very exciting, isn't it?
Absolutely, Tom. That first salary feels like freedom and responsibility rolled into one. But as they say, with great power comes great responsibility. But did you know that the way you manage your money can directly impact your health, wealth, and the entire life as well? So how to manage and get the maximum benefits of the hard-earned money, both financially and physically, remains the most important question.
Great question, as Robert Kiyosaki said. It's not how much money you make, but how much money you keep. Financial stress can take a toll on your mental and physical health. As Zig Ziglar also quoted nicely, money isn't everything, but it ranks right up there with the oxygen. Today, we'll explore and guide young adults on how to turn their first income into the foundation of lifelong wealth, along with how to make smart financial choices and stay fit and fine all the way.
So stay tuned to explore some highly value-bound tips to keep your money and mind in perfect order. Let's go and start with a quick question for everyone watching. Question 1. What's the first thing young adults should do when they receive their first paycheck? A. Spend it on things they've always wanted. B. Open a savings account and set aside an emergency fund. C. Go out and celebrate with friends. D. Ignore saving. It's too early to worry about that. Please type your answer in the comment box.
The correct answer is B. Open a savings account and set aside an emergency fund. An emergency fund is like a safety net. It helps you prepare for the unexpected. Financial experts recommend saving for at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses for emergencies. As Suze Orman says, a big part of financial freedom is having your heart and mind free from worry about the what-ifs of life. By starting with an emergency fund, young adults can build confidence in their financial journey.
Now, since wealth and health are directly proportional to each other, if you are healthy only then, you can create wealth and vice versa if you have substantial wealth. You can maintain a good balance of mind, resulting in good physical and financial progress. So all these terms are interrelated. One cannot achieve success if any one of them is missing out.
Really, it's an amazing fact, as Sir A.J. Reb Materi nicely quoted, "So many people spend their health gaining wealth and then have to spend their wealth to regain their health." What an irony. Of course, health and wealth, they both complement each other. So now what one must do when they get the reward as their first paycheck.
Let's move quickly. On to our next very important question. Question 2. What's the best way to balance your first paycheck with health and savings? A. Spend it all on gadgets and dining out. B. Budget for savings, healthy food, and fitness activities. C. Ignore health. It can wait for later. D. Focus only on savings and skip personal care. Please answer the question and type your answer in the comment box.
The correct answer is B. Budget for savings, healthy food and fitness activities. A good budget isn't just about money, it's about values. Setting aside funds for healthy meals and activities ensures you're investing in your body, as well as making your bank account a healthy one. Remember what Jim Rohn said, "Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live." A balanced budget is the key to a balanced life. Here comes the third question. Question 3. How can young adults use their first salary to build both financial and physical resilience? Options. A. Create an emergency fund and join a fitness program. B. Spend impulsively and avoid saving or exercising. C. Focus only on financial savings and ignore health goals. D. Don't worry about health, it's not urgent. Let's check the answer and test your intellect.
A is the correct answer. Create an emergency fund and join a fitness program. Remember, financial and physical health go hand in hand. As Dalai Lama said, man sacrifices his health in order to make money. Then he sacrifices money to recuperate his health. Don't let that be your story.
So there you have it. Practical steps to manage your first paycheck while investing in your health and financial future. What will you do with your first paycheck? Share your plans in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wealth Wonderla for more tips on achieving financial and physical well-being. Until next time, let's keep building wealth and wellness together.
Thanks a lot for watching Wealth Wonderla.